Hey everyone, it's Mike from Appalachian Farmstead, and this video is about a new product that we're trying out here on the farm. If you don't know, we have zero cell service. The bugs are bad today, people. So the only communications we have off of this farm is a cell through Wi-Fi. Through our internet. We have fiber internet, 500 up, 500 down, or ham radio. So that's the two forms of communications we have here. We do not have a landline. Does anybody have landlines anymore? I don't know. Anyways, so WaveLink reached out to us and asked us if we were interested in this. Now we already have, I'll show you here, there's the WaveLink, and right below it is a Wi-Fi bridge, which bridges from our house, and then inside the goat hut here we have a modem, which we have to put a board up because the goats get up here and mess around with it. So the problem with that is, well, there's not really a problem other than the fact that that router is, right around maybe like 50, 75 feet around here, and that's all it's good for. So one of the reasons that we took this on was because we have one of the satellite dog collars. Now it doesn't have cell service, which is a major drawback, but they are supposed to do Wi-Fi update to it, and that's why we took this on. And the other thing was we thought we could eliminate this router, eliminate the bridge, all that good stuff. So first of all, these things are packaged amazing. This is a very, very quality product. I mean, that thing's heavy. You know, these Wi-Fi bridges, they weigh like ounces. So, it's super easy to set up. Each antenna is marked like 2.4 and 5, and you just got to make sure you put them in the right ports. And then it's just plug and play. So originally, we put it up down there. We just unplugged the master Wi-Fi and put it there. And we had great service everywhere, but when we get up into here, as soon as we hit the trees, I mean, it degrades Wi-Fi a lot, according to WaveLink, because we emailed them. And, you know, at about 75 feet up in there, the signal was down to like 1 bar. So we opted to put it up here. So it's basically being fed from our Wi-Fi router. S'mores is trying to butt in over here with the noise. But so it's coming from through this bridge, and then it goes from the router to here. So what that gives us is, it gives me Wi-Fi, even in the front yard on the other side of the house. It gives me Wi-Fi. We'll see where the goats are laying down in here in the front yard, or the driveway, the garden, where the other goats are. We had no service there at all. No cell service, nothing from our house, nothing from here. It was like a dead zone in that area down there. Now we have all the Wi-Fi we want, which helps out with our cameras. Now if you go probably out in there, the blue roof, the trees really wipe it out out in there, which that's kind of a letdown. I'll be honest with you. We're really hoping we were going to have Wi-Fi out through the woods, because that's one of the reasons we got this, was because of that collar for Kiva. But we do have up there at the sawmill shed, I've got full... Would you hush? I've got full Wi-Fi at the sawmill shed. So at some point here later in the summer, I want to be doing some live streaming, and that's what we'll use that for up in there. Up in that direction. As soon as you get out in these trees, it pretty much goes from full right down to 2 bars. And if you get much more than about 150 feet up in there, let me get you out of the bright. Even though you have signal on your phone, as soon as you go to use it, it just drops off. So that's the only bummer. We were really hoping we were going to have signal way out in there. So I'm not a tech guy, neither is my wife. You know, we can turn these things on and off. What I really liked about this WaveLink was WaveLink is it's basically plug and play. It's that easy. Love that. The Eufy, we had all kinds of issues getting it hooked up and matched and blah blah blah. So, but we really like it. So far, it's weathered the storms, and you know, we haven't done anything else with it. It's been up for like 3 or 4 days. These are omnidirectional, so it just puts out signal in every direction. So I would highly recommend this thing. It's easy to install. It's so easy compared to the other stuff that we have messed with. And I really appreciate WaveLink giving us a chance to try their product out and do a video about it. We really like it, and honestly, I mean, what else can we do with the woods? There's nothing we can do. So Jenny doesn't like me doing the video either, I guess. Holy smokes. But the goats don't seem to mind having Wi-Fi around them. So anyways, I do like it. Like I said, it's super easy. I'm not going to do a speed test because, quite honestly, it's going through a bridge to do this, to how we want to use it anyways. And anything below 500 up and 500 down off of our fiber is going to be slow anyways. So, but super cool product. I think it's high quality. A lot of this stuff that you get is cheap. I mean, these Eufy bridges, they work, but you know, they just, I don't know, they feel cheap. The WaveLink, you can tell that is a super high quality product that's going to last you years. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll put a link in the description and the pinned comment where you can get this thing. This video is late, but we're in the middle. We were getting ready for hay season, and I didn't want to rush a video. We really can't give you, I can't give you a distance because we're surrounded by trees. So as soon as I hit the trees, it's done. But honestly, it goes 150 feet out in these trees, so that's pretty good. My router's not doing that. So, alright, well, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.